Nature's Bounty Vitamin C Review. Why consider this product? What makes it special is its use of Ester-C, the only clinically studied form of vitamin C that remains in white blood cells for up to 24 hours. Features and benefits. Long-lasting immune support. The standout feature of Nature's Bounty Vitamin C 24-hour immune support is its ability to provide long-lasting immune support. Essential nutrients for overall health. The inclusion of zinc helps support a healthy immune system and aids in wound healing. Respiratory health maintenance. Nature's Bounty Vitamin C 24-hour immune support recognizes this and includes highly bioavailable Ester-C to support the health of your upper respiratory system. Convenient rapid-release soft gels. With the addition of Ester-C, these soft gels work to deliver the immune-boosting benefits quickly and effectively. Product quality. This supplement is non-GMO and gluten-free, making it suitable for individuals with dietary restrictions or preferences. What it's used for. Strengthening immune defenses. Nature's Bounty Vitamin C 24-hour immune support is primarily used to strengthen and support the immune system. Enhancing upper respiratory health. Nature's Bounty Vitamin C 24-hour immune support recognizes this and includes ingredients that support the health of your respiratory tract. Supporting overall health. In addition to its immune-boosting and respiratory health benefits, Nature's Bounty Vitamin C 24-hour immune support also supports overall health. Boosting antioxidant activity. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body against oxidative stress and free radicals. Product specifications. Who needs this? Nature's Bounty Vitamin C 24-hour immune support is suitable for individuals of all ages who want to support their immune system and overall health. What customers are saying. Customers who have tried Nature's Bounty Vitamin C 24-hour immune support have expressed their satisfaction with the product. They appreciate the convenience of the rapid-release soft gels and the inclusion of additional immune-boosting ingredients like elderberry and echinacea. Overall value. Nature's Bounty Vitamin C 24-hour immune support offers excellent value for those seeking long-lasting immune support and enhanced overall health. Product summary. Nature's Bounty Vitamin C 24-hour immune support with zinc and vitamin D offers more than just a daily dose of vitamin C. With the unique inclusion of Ester-C, this supplement provides long-lasting immune support, remaining in white blood cells for up to 24 hours. Final recommendation. Backed by scientific research and formulated with high-quality ingredients, this product offers long-lasting immune support, enhanced upper respiratory health, and convenience.